Hello guys, welcome to another video of ZRN Studios. Today we will show you how we can open CMD in lock screen of Windows 10.
First open C drive, then open Windows folder. Then right-click on System 32 folder. Then press on Advance. Then press on Change Owner. Enter your username and press Check Name, then press OK. Then press Apply. Then press on box saying Replace Owner, then press Apply. Then wait and press Continue if anything comes. Then press Edit. Then choose User and give full control. Then press Apply. Now find and change the name of SETHC to SETHC1 and then name of CMD to SETHC. Now just press Shift 5 times when in lock screen and CMD will open.
Thanks for watching video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our blog link in description.